Are you looking for the best smart home security systems? In this video we will look at some of the best smart home security systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Google Nest Indoor Cam. The Nest Cam is a pretty little gadget meant to deter would-be intruders from doing all the bad things intruders do. It features 24/7 live video streaming, HD, to your phone or tablet, motion and sound alerts, night vision, digital zoom, two-way audio, and easy setup. It also features one of the strongest designs we've seen from a security cam, with a magnetic base, pivoting stand and a sleek appearance that's just plain cool. While the Nest Cam packs enough functionality into the core product, you may be tempted to spring for one of Nest's subscription packages. But maybe the biggest selling point for the Nest Cam is its compatibility with Nest's other smart home products. The learning thermostat and the Protect smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector. As a family, these products offer an impressive array of possibilities. At number 2, Netgear Arlo Pro. This Arlo Pro system comes with a central receiver and one HD security camera to cover your home from whatever angle you set it at. The 100% wire-free system connects via Wi-Fi networks and allows for higher levels of versatility when setting it up, so you don't have to awkwardly wire the system through the wall. The camera itself takes super sharp HD video and can be placed inside or outside since the enclosure is fully waterproof. The quick charging battery lasts super long, so you can set it and forget for at least a little while. And there's two-way audio via the phone app that lets you listen to the audio the camera is picking up or talk back through to the other side. The wide-angle lens takes up to 130 degrees of visuals to make sure you don't miss anything important. Whether you're using it to monitor your house while you're not home or to check outside while you are. It includes night vision for recording any time of day or night, and it offers local USB-accessed storage for videos, as well as 7 full days of HD videos stored in the cloud. There's even a super loud alarm you can trigger to try to scare off would-be intruders. The whole system links up with smart home devices for voice controls, and the Arlo even supports live streaming. At number 3, Arlo Ultra. Often when we think of 4K resolution, it's in reference to televisions or computer monitors. In the case of the Arlo Ultra, 4K has an entirely new use case, and that's with smart home security. With 4K video quality, there's a whole new world opening for smart home security. The Arlo makes it easier to zoom in and see the details on someone's face that might be missed in 1080p. The unit itself can also rotate up to 180 degrees to provide a panoramic view of any room or yard. The unit is weatherproof, so this camera is good for both indoors or outdoors use. Set it up at home and with night vision, you'll get 24/7 home security. A motion-activated spotlight and loud sirens can scare away any intruders. The siren can be triggered remotely, so the Arlo is an ideal choice for those who travel or work away from home often. You can get real-time alerts on your phone via the downloadable Arlo app. Every alert provides an instant choice to ignore or alert the authorities. At number 4, Ring Floodlight Camera. The Ring Floodlight camera can record perfectly at night via 2 super bright, motion-activated LED floodlights. This has an added benefit of washing the scene with plenty of light for high-quality video, while simultaneously giving you the potential to scare off intruders with the sudden appearance of floodlights. There's also a 110 decibel alarm for scaring people off audibly. There are ultra-wide-angle motion sensors to activate camera recording alongside those floodlights, which will detect motion in objects, even incorporating face recognition. It's weather-resistant, so you can install it outside, and the motion detections will also offer you notifications on the synced-up smartphone app. There's infrared recording to go with the floodlights just in case you want to record more incognito at night. The camera records a full 140 degrees of wide-angle view, so you can capture even the biggest yards. and all of the above motion-activated features can be controlled via the mobile app on Q. It's the best of all worlds. At number 5. Canary Pro Camera. The Canary combines home security features like a siren and environmental sensors with a smart home security camera. And don't let the small, unobtrusive design fool you. Canary has packed enough security features into this Wi-Fi camera to make it qualify for home insurance discounts from many major insurers. It's essentially a small security system, right down to a loud siren and quick access to emergency response services. We love the climate monitor sensors since they allow Canary to track the humidity, temperature, and air quality in your home. This means that the camera can sense if the fireplace isn't fully out or let you know if someone left the tub running. The camera gains access to 30 days of cloud video storage instead of the single day included with the free plan. You can also download videos and unlock two-way audio, though these are often a free features with other brands. Overall, the premium plan is good but a bit too pricey for the added benefits.